Welcome to Genuine Property Solutions. Know before you buy. Before getting lured and cheated by fraudsters by entering a disastrous property deal to lose all your hard-earned money, come and talk with our ethical and dedicated team of experts comprising of highly experienced engineers, architects, interior designers, RTPs, valuers, structural engineers, advocates, Vastu consultants, etc., who with their expertise and professional skills can educate you and guide you through the entire buying process in a seamless manner, thereby ensuring absolute transparency and flawless transactions and documentations. The current miserable situation of the home buyers and the alarming rise in property scams in the sector of real estate have necessitated the formation of a powerful team of experts to combat the potential scams and get you a foolproof and scam-proof property deal so that you do not get aftershocks and unwillingly drag yourself into blood-sucking litigations for life. Remember, you invest your lifetime savings to buy not only a home or plot of land, but also peacefulness and security, which you cannot compromise at the cost of anything. Our team ensures that for you by creating awareness, giving you refined knowledge, doing site or property inspections, doing quality checks, verifying all your documents, giving you right kind of advices, providing technical supports, measuring the size of your flat or plot, evaluating the exact cost of your flat, calculating out your stamp duty and registration charges to accuracy, etc. Even you are already entangled in some such litigations, do not worry, we will offer you the best of the best kind of legal advice and support and will get you out of it. We will detangle your mess in our style. In a nutshell, we offer you end-to-end solution. Always fight for your right and righteousness. God will help you. Services that we offer: 1. Pre-property purchase counseling for hassle-free purchase. 2. Complete guidance to property purchase, scratch to end. 3. Post-property purchase legal guidance in case of litigation. 4. Field inspections. 5. Site visits. 6. Complete documentation, scratch to end. 7. Vastu consultancy. You may book your slot just by calling us at 84,868 to 13,288 and 97,060 to 12,808 between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. Let's meet and talk at our office situated at Nabgiri Path, Chandmari, Guwahati 781003, Assam. Did you know what an occupancy certificate is? What a completion certificate is? What is mutation? What is a possession letter? What an approved building plan is? What is an as-built plan? What proportionate share of land is? What are compoundable and non-compoundable deviations? What are setbacks? What is regularization? What is the difference between loanable and non-loanable properties? What are carpet, built-up and super built-up areas? What are vitrified double-charge tiles? What are RERA, RERA Act and REACT? What are the benefits of a RERA registered project? How your flat area is calculated out? How to calculate out your proportionate share of land? How your stamp duty and registration fee are calculated? How your society maintenance fee is calculated? What construction materials are best for house? What fire NOC is? What is planning permit? What is building permit? What is the job of a zonal engineer? What is the job of an associate planner? What is a document asking notice? What is a show cause notice? What is a demolition order? What is a review petition? What execution case is exactly? What is the role of RERA? What is the role of REACT? What is IRP? What are AAC blocks? Etc., etc., etc. You must essentially know all these and many more to avoid any untold property scam that is paving your way. Our team will educate you before you proceed to buy a property. Our dedicated team has guided over 500 property buyers to get litigation-free and scam-proof deals done. But our dream is to eradicate the word scam for good from the dictionary of real estate, thereby ensuring absolute transparency and sheer diligence. For us, home is not a product. It is the ultimate place where you must essentially find eternal peace and harmony smeared with a layer of safety and security. Consultancy and service charges on enquiry only. Do not worry, our charges are as ethical as our team is. Wish you happy buying and peaceful living.